In this video, we'll conduct a basic subject search in PubMed. We'll explore sorting and display options, apply a few filters, save and email results, and review the procedure for obtaining full-text articles via the UVM Library's journal collection. Begin by going to Dana Medical Library's homepage at dana.uvm.edu and clicking on the green PubMed button. Always access PubMed through a UVM Library webpage so that the button for accessing articles through UVM's journal subscriptions will be displayed. If you are working from off-campus, you may need to log in with your UVM NetID in order to access full-text articles. Suppose you want to find the latest research on the use of acupuncture to treat low back pain. Enter the words acupuncture low back pain in the search box and click on the search button. Enter the words without any parentheses, quotes, punctuation, search tags, or Boolean operators. This will enable you to take full advantage of PubMed's powerful search algorithms. The search brought up a set of 856 results. Before you begin reviewing the results, notice that by default, PubMed sorts the results by best match. This may be helpful in some situations, but do remember that with this sorting method, the articles found at the top of the list will not necessarily be the most recently published articles. In this search, you'll see that the first article is actually from 2010, so basically 10 years ago. If you're primarily interested in finding the most recent research, we recommend that you change the sorting method to publication date. To do that, click on the Display Options button, and from the drop-down, select Publication Date. 856 results is a fairly large number, but there are several very simple strategies that you can use to create a more focused set. One of the easiest techniques is to apply one or more filters. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of PubMed filters, with a link at the bottom for additional filters. The first filter you might want to apply is for publication date. Go back to the top and click on the link to expand the timeline. Then select 2010 to 2020. Then collapse the timeline. This reduced the number down to 510 results. There are several other filters that might help to focus the results, in particular humans and English language. But you notice that neither species nor language is listed on the summary page. So just click on the Additional Filters button and you'll find them there. Click on the species link and select humans, then language, and scroll down and select English. Note that there are also filters for article types, sex, and age groups. Click on the Show button. Then you'll apply those filters one at a time. First humans, and then English. And that will drop the set of results down to 334. Then you might want to add a filter for an article type. For example, in order to gain background knowledge about the topic, you might want to read a few review articles. Go down to the article type section and check the appropriate box. Now you'll be down to 83 results. Once you've read those, you may wish to find all the randomized controlled trials on this topic. Uncheck the box beside review articles and check the box for randomized controlled trial. If any of those filters prove to be too restrictive, you can remove them by simply unchecking the box, or you can remove them all by going to the top and clicking Clear All. The summary display provides the titles and citations for the articles, as well as an excerpt of the abstract. For more information, click on the title of the article that you're interested in. PubMed will display author information, the PubMed ID, DOI, the full abstract, any available figures. It will show the first 5 similar articles followed by a button to show more, and the first 5 references followed by a button to show them all. At the bottom of the page, you will see the search tags that have been applied to this article, which in PubMed are called medical subject headings or mesh terms. Navigate the set of results by clicking on the previous or the next links, or you can go back to the top and click on the search results link to go back to the summary display. To show more articles, go to the bottom and click on the Show More button, and it will show you the next batch of 10. Or if you would like to see them in larger batches, go up to the Display Options button and make your selection from there. To find the full text of an article, go to the Abstract view, and you'll notice a number of icons available in the Full Text Links section of the page in the upper right. Every PubMed record will have a Find It at UVM button, and they may or may not have additional buttons such as from the publisher or from PubMed Central. When you click on the Find It at UVM button, if we subscribe to that journal, it will take you to the publisher's website. And from there, you can click to download the PDF. If UVM does not subscribe to the journal, it will take you to a page that looks like this, where it offers the option for you to submit a request for an interlibrary loan. This service is available for all UVM and UVM Medical Center faculty, staff, and students. Back in PubMed, as you scroll through the set, select the articles that you wish to save by checking the box to the left. When you're done navigating the set, go to the top of the page and you can email those results, or you could save them in a variety of formats. You could also send them to the clipboard, which will save the results for the duration of the work session, or you could send them to a citation manager, such as EndNote. If you have logged in to your own account with PubMed, you would be able to save the search strategy and/or a specific set of citations that you have selected.